Hello, welcome to McDonald's Arts and Crafts, and today what I'm going to do is I've got hold of this little skeleton or skeleton mould, and I'm going to make it up and turn it into some earrings. But I will cast them white because I think, or a bone colour, because I think they need to be as being skeletons, and see how fabulous they are as earrings and how well they work out. They'll be ideal for Halloween or anything like that, or a little costume party. I'm using a polyurethane resin here, or PU resin, and a pipette to put it in with. Now, the PU resin will dry or cure white, which is ideal for me. And the reason I'm using a pipette is because it allows me to drip in the actual resin quite slowly. And because it's a PU resin, it will dry really, really hard as well. So that's great. Make sure that you get your resin around the back of the little posts as well, because that's what's going to make your loops. I'd just like to say a quick thank you to all my members whose names are coming up now, and I hope you're enjoying the series that we're doing on how to set up a small business and sell your artwork. The previous videos are in the members only area for you. So filling these up slowly to ensure that I've got a nice level on them, going over it, popping any bubbles, and I'll let them cure up for about an hour. Well, my little skeleton pieces are all cured now, and so all I need to do is just take them out of its little mould. And I did put a little bit of black mica with the eyes and the nose, just so they stood out a little bit more. So that's how they would go together, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop them together using some jump rings. Now, I think I need to use quite small jump rings for this, because if not, these skeletons are going to hang like down to your knees, and I'm not sure that that's really what we want. I'll just thread through the little holes that are already there. And if, like me, you've over-poured on a couple of them, all you need to do is just use your little screwdriver thing or your Dremel to push that hole open a little bit more. Open up your jump ring, pop your jump ring in there. Close up your jump ring, and then you've got your two bits that are together. Now I'll go ahead and put these together, and then I'll come back and show you what they look like finished. Well, I've put them together, and I think they've come out really, really well. I actually think they're very quirky, and they've got a lovely lot of movement in them. They wouldn't only make earrings, I think you could also use them for decorations and things like that at Halloween. Could you imagine what these would look like on if you made them out of glow-in-the-dark powder and UV powders and things? I think they'd look amazing. I had to model them because I just couldn't help myself. I love the black eyes as well. I think that just gives it a little bit more dimension and makes them look a little bit more fun. Please hit that thumbs up because it really does help my video and it makes me so happy. And if you'd like to buy me a coffee, just to say thank you for any of the videos that I make or to help support me in this channel, then the link for that and the link for everything that I've used today is in the description below. Thank you very much. Take care. Enjoy your resin. Bye.